Video games have been struggling for a while now. Like, I can scroll through this for ages and ages and ages, and I genuinely don't want to click anything. I'm not saying there's like not good games through here. It's just I have little to no faith that I want to play them for longer than a week. And when games like Ark Survival Ascended are coming out at a steep price point of $44.99, I better want to play it for longer than a week. And I'm not exactly one to just believe anything you read on the internet, but when something is this negatively received, it's usually pretty bad. But the worst problem is a problem that's becoming more and more consistent as the days go on, I fear. Subscriptions! Yes, that's right. Not only do you have to pay a subscription to your favorite television service provider, but now you have to pay a subscription to play a video game in general. I mean, I think we all know at this point that Ubisoft is maybe not the best company to be reliable on to make the most profound video games in the modern day, but $69.99 for the standard base game, which I'm gonna assume just contains the game itself, which you never know nowadays, and the pre-order bonus, which, pre-order now to get an Assassin's Creed Shadows bonus quest thrown in. So basically just, an extra quest. And then, of course, we have the classic season pass, which apparently includes a bonus quest on day one, which is, I guess, what we're getting the pre-order bonus for, as well as the 2 upcoming expansions. Who knows when those are coming out? And then there's the 3 days early access part of the special gold edition, which is $109.99, by the way. And you thought I was done, but there's more. Oh, there's more. An ultimate edition that includes, you guessed it, not anything other than the ultimate pack. Ah, yes. The ultimate pack, which includes a new character pack, gear and weapon sets for both these guys, a hideout pack for customizing your hideout, 5 skill points, and the Red Dragon filter mode in photo mode? Are we getting Instagram filters for another 20 bucks? And then there's the absolute messiah of Ubisoft's master plan here, the day one with Ubisoft. Ah, yes, what a steal of a prize. You get everything that's listed in the Ultimate Edition, but you get 100+ new PC games oh, Jesus. 100+ new PC games, including new releases every single month for only the low price of $17.99 a month. Well, you don't really own this game because you're spending $17.99 a month, so I'm going to assume that you lose all rights to the games after you don't pay the next month. And I'm going to assume this works exactly the same way that PlayStation Plus does. And that'd be correct, because there's a part down here that says, what happens if I unsubscribe? Ubisoft then goes on to say, if you unsubscribe, the game will become unavailable unless you already own them, buy them, or subscribe to Ubisoft Plus again in the future. Which basically means you could spend $17.99 a month for an entire year, which, by the way, is $215.88. And you still don't own the game. So basically, Ubisoft is telling you, wow, you have this free game, basically, because you can play over 100 PC games with new releases, with all their DLC content, and all their seasonal pass content, and all their ultimate pack content 3 days early. But you don't actually own the game yet, so if you want to play it without subscribing to our monthly fee of $17.99, you got to pay at least 60 or 70 bucks just to get that thing going. And let us not forget that many games nowadays coming out have a bunch of in-app purchases, downloadable content, and or money to buy. Like why do I want to buy money with money? It's not even real money.
Let me get my virtual currency so I can buy some skins in a video game.
I don't know. The way the game is going, it's just more and more day by day turning into companies and manufacturers trying to push the narrative that they want everyone to not actually own the games that they buy, so that they gouge you into paying a monthly subscription just to open up NBA 2K24 when there's like 19 of these games and none of them are doing well, but this is still 70 bucks. Oh, and not to mention there's 4 different versions of this same game, and including the Kobe Bryant edition, because that's not weird at all. Oh, yeah, of course. And there's, money you can buy with money. That's. Oh my lord. Oh my. Okay, this is okay. I don't even. I'm stumped. What do I say? It's just super unfortunate because for me, as someone who grew up playing video games and now does a lot of graphic arts, pixel arts, digital arts, loves video games, wants to make video games in the near or distant future, plays them almost every single day of his life, and loves the world and the culture that surrounds it, it's just very disheartening just to see beautiful video games be tainted by the fact that companies just consistently are trying to gouge as much money away from their player base and their fan base as humanly possible, and good games just go by the wayside because it's becoming more and more evident that good games don't really matter, because the actual good games that are coming out are indie games that release on Steam for $5, and the AAA titles that we're known to love and adore are kind of going down. Yeah, so that's my 2 cents. Hey, thank you for watching that video. I really appreciate it. It's a different kind of video for the channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I really just like talking about stuff, especially when it involves, like, the business that I really like. So if you did enjoy it, make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and hit the like button, let me know, and hit a comment and be like, yo, hey, your voice sounds really cool, or I hate your voice, and you should never make another video ever again. All right, thanks, bye.